Hi there, my name is Dane Bauerle. Today we're going to take a minute to talk about building a leadership development program, and specifically for managers and supervisors. The topic for today is called Getting Results Through Others, which is really what we're looking for managers and supervisors, their effectiveness of getting results through others. So when it comes time to build a leadership development program, there are two questions that we always want to ask or know the answer to before we get started. The first question that we want to know the answer to is, where do today's managers and supervisors come from? Well, we answer that question pretty specifically. It's known that most of our managers today have what we call an MBA. Now, it's probably not what you're thinking. What we say an MBA is a manager by accident or association. Many times today's managers come from being in the right place at the right time, son or daughter of the owner, maybe a family member. And sometimes it comes from just being the longest tenured employee and suddenly you're promoted to manager. So those are the three places that we see managers come from today. And that's not necessarily a problem. In fact, in many cases, it's the best case scenario. The problem exists then when we don't provide training and development for them to transition from staff to manager. And so we've got to help them do that. So the second question we want to look at, if our managers are new to their position and don't have experience, is what skill sets do managers and supervisors need today to be effective at getting results through people? So over time, we've surveyed our customers and our clients. We've collected a lot of data and information, and we've compiled this list. And these are the skills that we see that managers and supervisors need today. Number one is simply to help team members be productive, helping them get where they need to go. Number two is communication. There are so many different methods today to communicate with people, but we're not necessarily connecting with people. And so that's a skill that's needed. Next is activity and results, time management. You know, the fact is there oftentimes just aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done that needs to get done. Next, clarifying goals and expectations. Teaching our managers and our supervisors to be great coaches and great mentors. This is a huge gap in business today that we're missing, and our managers and supervisors need this. Next is motivating people to produce. Here we're talking about the art and the science about motivation, and these are skills that were never taught before, and how to really reach to our people and connect with them through motivation. Next, training techniques that work. Managers and supervisors really struggle with delegation. They're afraid to let go, and most of that's tied into not knowing how to train effectively and making sure that they can let go of the delegated task. Next is decision making and problem solving. So many minutes and hours are lost in productivity today because being hung up on making decisions and problem solving. And so we need to teach the skills that help our managers and supervisors be effective at that. Next is creating synergistic teamwork. You know, the old saying, together we achieve more, can only be accurate if we do achieve more together. So how do we create a team? How do we make sure it's synergistic? And let's teach our managers and supervisors about that. And then the last piece of the puzzle that's important to every business, for-profit or not-for-profit, is customer service. And how do we elevate the level and the experience that our customers are having? See, we see these as the 9 critical skills that all managers and supervisors need. Maybe you have an extensive background in management and supervisory as far as title goes, but you've struggled with some of these topics. Or maybe you're brand new and need these ideas to help you get to the next level. This is a program that I'm going to put together. We'll put some videos together that we can help and share these ideas to help you get better. I'll put one series together per topic, and it'll be an opportunity for you to learn the idea and the skill, and I'll also put a challenge into place to help you implement it when you go back to work after watching this video. My contact information is available for you on the screen. I'm looking forward to helping you. Now move on to 101, the first session, and see what we can learn today. Thanks, and have a good day.